What's going on, everyone? My name is Bruno and this is my PBA Week 1 match against Razor Claw and the Townsville Tyrannitars. We are just finishing the team selection and we are ready to just start playing. I faced Razor 2 times before and I lost both in pack. He actually had some kind of weather strategy during those games. He has rain this season in PBA, which is really scary. Okay, so now Atterine. Okay, so it brings the rain. I expected Atterine. Now in terms of the lead, Toxic Rock I was not expecting, but he brought it, which is fine. This is a really scary. I have Psyshock on this, right? Let me just... Moonblast, okay, I have Psyshock. So leads. I could lead Rotom. I could lead the... yeah, because Meowscarada is kind of scary, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna either Rotom, Noivern, or Ariyama. If the lead is Gastrodon, I want to lead Rotom. If the lead is any other thing, I'm gonna lead Ariyama, honestly. I don't want to deal with Meowscarada, with a Meowscarada lead, so I don't want to lead Rotom. And I don't want to lead with Iron Threads against Noivern, so I'm gonna lead with yeah, I'm gonna lead with the Ariyama. Good luck, have fun to Razor. And let's see. Rain is really scary. Like, Floatzel is stupidly good in rain. But we'll see. We'll see. So the lead is gonna be Threats. Okay, I'm fine with that. I just wanna Drain Punch. There's no Talent Flame as well. I can actually knock off as well. Or I Thunder Punch. The predicting Pelipper. I'm gonna knock off. I think it's gonna... yeah, it's gonna Volt Switch. It's gonna do nothing because I'm Assault Vest. He can bring whatever he wants. He's gonna take a knockoff. If it's Pelipper, it's amazing because I just removed the Damp Rock, potential Damp Rock. We'll see. We'll see. As Terra options, I have Cryogonal here with Terra Fire. Okay, brings the Pelipper. Oh, I got Thunder Punch. If I Thunder Punch. So I'm gonna go for a knockoff, so Damp Rock is just out. Okay, so there's not many run turns, which is fine. I'm gonna Thunder Punch here. He can U-turn, but removing Rain would be fine. I think he U-turns, honestly. But let's see. Goes for U-turn. I take it. I could Drain Punch, honestly. I have to play a bit more slowly because the U-turn is obvious. Let's see what he brings. Let's see if it's Meowscarada. Let's see. Let's see. It's Toxic Rock. Okay, what can a Toxic Rock do to me? Yes, Dry Skin. Not sure what a Toxic Rock can do to me. I can't do much to him either, so I'm just gonna switch maybe into Noivern. I want to preserve the Clodsire. I'm gonna bring the Noivern. I don't think he goes for Ice Punch. Yeah, there's a Life Orb. Goes for Gunk Shot. Okay, he almost killed me. I don't want to stay in, so I'm gonna bring Ariyama on the prediction, on the predictable switching. I don't think he stays in. I really don't think he stays in. Yeah, this one is scary. This Pokemon is really scary. Let's see. Please switch. Okay. Maybe Iron Threats? Exactly. And now I Drain Punch. No, I totally Drain Punch. I don't care about the... Goes for Volt Switch, I don't care. Let's see what he brings. The bad thing is... Noivern is really weakened. Brings Toxic Rogue, yeah. I might have to bring the... Doesn't do much. Either way. I might have to bring the Clodsire. Let's do it. I'm gonna bring the Clodsire. And we'll play from there. On the gunshot he misses, which sucks for him. I can go for Stealth Rocks. I can just Earthquake and get rid of the thing. I'm gonna do it considering that, yeah. Okay, I leave it, and Clodsire kills Toxic Rogue. Yeah, so Clodsire kills Toxic Rogue. Now I'm in a bad position because Meowscarada is actually really threatening. I have to check what are the... Yeah, it goes Meowscarada. I have to check what are the switch-ins to... Yeah, so I might have to sack Noivern. Which is something I wouldn't want to, but I have to, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna sack the Noivern. I think I have to. Yeah, I'm gonna sack Noivern. And we're gonna play the second game. Goes for Flower Trick, turns into a Grass type and it kills Noivern. So Meowscarada kills Noivern. And here is Life Orb. Here I bring the Cryogonal and I click Freeze Dry. And if he wants to switch into Iron Threads, he can do it. There's nothing I can do about it. So let's see. So his Life Orb Meowscarada, which is interesting, is pretty viable against my team in my opinion. So we'll see. But Noivern Cryogonal kinda puts in the pressure in this game. There's no need to Terra because I'm Scarf and I Freeze Dry does a lot. So let's see, he probably brings the Iron Threads, I assume. It's the only switching at least that I can think about. Okay, so he's gonna sack the thing, which is amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. So Cryogonal kills Meowscarada. Cryogonal kills Meowscarada. Okay, and he brings the Iron Threads, I assume. Yeah. I kinda wanna bring the Rotom here. I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna ring target, the trick ring target. On the Volt Switch, okay, so he brings probably the Floatzel here, which isn't amazing. Unless he brings the Gastrodon. Yeah, actually I can bring the Gastrodon. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna trick. Gonna trick. On the rocks, I assume. Give me an Iron Ball. Okay, but I'm free to discharge now. I am free to discharge now. Let's discharge. Yeah, because it has Gastrodon, Iron Threats, Floatzel and Pelipper. I am pretty free to discharge. Goes for Nerf Power. Okay, I understand the play. Okay. Please para. Okay. I'm still gonna be slow, I think. Maybe? No? Either way, I Volt Switch. Okay, brings the Iron Threats. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can trick Iron Threats, that would be fine. Earthquake, okay. So Iron Threats kills Rotom. What's the play here? I think is the Ariyama. I'm gonna Drain Punch. I could have got rid of Rain turn 1, which would be amazing. That would have been amazing. He maybe sacks the Gastro here. I would assume so. Brings the Pelipper. I'm honestly just gonna bring the Cryogonal, but if he U-turns, I'm such in a bad position. I'm still gonna do it because I think the Hurricane's here. I think he sucks the. But if I Thunder Punch, he can't U-turn because it's gonna do. That's gonna do a lot. Actually, I could Fake Out. Yeah, I'm not using Fake Out that well. Let's see if he Hurricanes. I think he Hurricanes, honestly. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna Freeze Dry. It's a play I have to make. He's gonna switch out maybe into Iron Threats. Gastrodon, he sucks the Gastrodon. Okay, makes sense. I forgot about that. Okay. So Cryogonal kills the Gastrodon. Brings the Floatzel most likely here. Yeah. I am gonna go for. I mean, I think I have to Freeze Dry. There's no other play. I'm gonna Freeze Dry. Goes for Terra Blast. I leave it. I think he forgot to Terra. That's amazing. So Cryogonal kills Floatzel. I'm gonna Freeze Dry, I don't care. I might just Terra and go Freeze Dry, or I go for Stab. What do I do? Do I Freeze Dry, maybe leave an Iron Head? That might be the play. I'm gonna Terra Fire. Because I can leave an Iron. I think I can leave an Iron Head. Let's see. Maybe I don't because Cryogonal is really fragile and they goes for Rapid Spin. Okay, that's a nice play for him. The rain stopped. Go for another. Okay, let's see if the Iron Threats can win. Iron Threats kills Triagonal. Now I can go U, I fake out, and then I Drain Punch. So fake out first. Let's see. Let's see. It isn't too much, but it's cheap that I'll be able to, that I don't care. I'll take it. I'm gonna go for Drain Punch, there's no other play. I need to kill this. I desperately need to kill this. Goes for Volt Switch. Okay. Interesting. That's a crit. I'm gonna go. I have to go into this. I have to go into this. Does a U-turn. Let's see. It roosts. It roosts. I'm gonna Shadow Ball. It may be Assault Vest on the Iron Threats. It may be Assault Vest. But at this point I can't switch anymore, so I just have to attack what's in front of me. We'll see. I still have the Clodsire. I completely forgot I still have the Clodsire, honestly. But like, I don't think Clodsire can do much at this point. So I still have a sack, at least. I still have a sack. Ooh, that almost killed. Oh, shoot. Okay, I still live. Oh, that's amazing. Totally easy to leave this. But nice liquidation, I like the play. So the what's it called? Fluttermane will kill, I assume will kill the Pelipper. No. Okay, so Fluttermane doesn't kill anything. Okay, I'm gonna go for Shadow Ball. I'm gonna go for another. Let's see. We're gonna finish the game. We are gonna finish the game. Shadow Ball again. Okay. Oh, now the speed dash drop. So he's gonna Iron Threat skills. The Fluttermane. Okay, the rain stopped. I'm gonna go into the Ariyama. I don't want to fake out, honestly. I want to Drain Punch. because I think he switches. Let me Drain Punch. This can be a big choke. But I don't think, I mean, doesn't make sense for him to... I don't know. I don't know. If I had another priority. Okay, it goes for Hurricane. So he wins then. Unless, oh please. Okay. Oh. I don't think I can kill the... I should have fake out. Oh, that's a big choke. Pelipper. Sorry, Aryama kills Pelipper. Yeah, I don't think I can kill the... I'm still gonna do the play. Oh, that's a big choke, dude. Big choke. I don't understand. If I go for fake out, I win the game. I mean, I forgot I had Clodsire in the back. I could have just easily just kill it. Just sack it early. This is not gonna kill. The fake out is not gonna kill. Oh shoot, dude. This. Okay, I Drain Punch. I'm not gonna stall. It's not fair. Dude. I did everything wrong. I choked 100 times this game. There's no other thing to say. I give this game away like so many times. Either way, GG to Razor. I think I was not gonna stall in the end. It doesn't make sense. I'd rather lose than do that. So we were still able to finish the game. But yeah, that was a nice offer from me to him. That was a nice present, I guess, because that was just so many chokes. It was choke after choke after choke. Either way, we are gonna try to bounce back. It's not a big thing that we lost week 1. We just need to bounce back next week. So GG to Razor again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace, guys.